I'm Matthieu the Clerk. It is April 2020 EP Monthly and Hippo Education time. And you are in the studio with another human being, which is the wrong thing to do. You are unflattening the curve. You and Ben are peaking the curb right now. I'm ashamed of you.
He's young,
and thank
I'm
you
old,
very much.
so I'm just hoping he'll take me out gracefully.
Good. You got the cyanide pill tucked in your back of your cheek pocket there?
Just ready to crush it.
So we're talking about April 2020 here, EPM, and this one is Director's Corner. It's by Mike Silverman, or the venerable Mike Silverman. Should I be teaching my replacement? Signing up might not be that disruptive to your work-life balance. Part 1.
Well, what I liked about this article is there's an actual picture of Mike Silverman. It's the first time.
There's absolutely not Mike Silverman.
That looks like Mike Silverman.
It does look like a guy named Mike Silverman, but Mike Silverman. Let's have a beer later, and we're going to find out that you have red hair and you're 6 feet tall and it's curly.
Yeah. The other thing is, this is the APMD argument that people are like, oh, the APPs are replacing us.
Yeah.
Well, in reality, they see 50% of ED patients at half the cost.
Yeah.
And so he's just making an argument like, hey, guys, as a C-suiter, and we kind of got to think about this. It's not a war. It's a team sport.
Yeah.
How can we make this work?
Oh, I like that. I like that attitude a lot, and I know that people get very angry. There's an interesting cohort of people who've decided that PAs and NPs are taking our jobs, which is a very strange thing to do as a professional. Where they're really not, and maybe it's possible somewhere that's happening. But it's a market force if that's true. That means that the market is saying that they're paying us too much. So hopefully that's not the case. But it's kind of like we get a very vocal minority of people who say we're angry that the PA price is lower, or we're angry that the PAs can come to this conference, or we're angry that we heard a PA able to comment in the comment section. It's very, I don't know. I don't get it personally. It makes no sense to me.
I just sound professional.
Yeah, unprofessional. Let's be professional. I get it.
I mean, it's a team, man. Residents are taking our jobs too, but we're training those guys.
That's right.
Yeah, it's our job to teach. That's medicine. You teach the people coming forward. You teach the team.
I like that. Get ready for some hate mail. You ready?
Yeah.
Hold your hands out like this. Oh, here's the hate mail. Oh.